Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you like my video, please do share, subscribe my YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn LeetCode problem 622. The problem name is design a circular queue. Okay, so you can see here. This is my circular queue. This is the class and this is the constructor. Okay, here I am going to pass self and k. Initialize queue with the size of k means size. Okay, so here you can see self dot q equals to in list 0 into k fixed. This is a fixed size array. Okay, so self dot max size equals to k, and self dot front equals to 0. Front means a starting index, and self dot rear equals to -1 index of last element. Okay, self dot count equals to current number of the element. Okay, so in queue means that the element. Okay, check if queue is full. Okay, so here we can see we are going to check if self dot is full, then we will return false. Okay, so otherwise move rear to the next position, circular position. Okay, so here you can see self dot rear self dot rear equals to self dot rear plus 1. Okay, like if you have two element. Okay, and we have maximum size equals to 3, so self dot rear equals to 3. Sorry, I mean we have two elements, so here you can write like this, 2 plus 1. Okay, and divided by self dot maximize. If our maximum size equals to 3, then then it will reach from, I mean, 3 divided 3 modulus 3, so we get 0 here, so it will start from 0 again. So this is why it is called a circular. Okay, so after that self dot q self dot rear equals to value. This is the new variable that we store our rear, and after that we need to increase count every time and return true. Okay, so after that this is our another function for dequeue means get element from the last. Okay, if you want to remove element from starting, not from last. Okay, so check if queue is empty. So if self dot is empty, return false. Okay, otherwise move front pointer circularly. Okay, so self dot front equals to self dot front plus 1 um, modulus self dot maximize. Okay, so self dot count, here we are going to decrease a value from 1. Okay, so return true. So that's you remove element from starting. Okay, so here you can also see another function front. If self dot first of all I need to check if self dot is empty, return -1. Okay, if q is empty, then we got -1. Okay, and after that I have another return self dot q equals to self dot front, otherwise it return a front value. And this is for rear. Self dot we need to check self dot is empty and return -1, and after that self dot q self dot rear, so we get last element from the queue is empty. If this is the another function is empty, if we have uh, q but this q doesn't have any value, so return self dot count equals to 0, so we can check this is empty. Okay, and this is the another function for check that it is full or not. So define is full and return self dot count equals to max size. Okay, I hope you guys got it. Thank you. Please do share, subscribe.